Hi everybody and welcome back to our cooking show, always here with my mother Franca, and today we are making a delicious treat that is highlighted during Italian Carnival and Easter. Today, Ma, what are we making?
Canestrelli.
And we will show you just how to make it coming up next.
I love what you eat.
So prior to making this very easy cookie dough, there's one thing that you have to prepare in advance. It's very simple. What's that?
And that is hard-boiled eggs because you need the yolk of the egg to be room temperature.
Perfect. So what we end up having here is flour. I would assume that's confectioner's sugar?
Yes,
That would
sugar.
be for the end, for the dusting?
No. It's
Oh,
all in
also
here.
there. So everything we have here is a one dump. So we'll take it from the top. We have flour, confectioner's sugar, the yolks of 3 hard-boiled eggs that are cooled down to room temperature, salt, and then
Lemon juice, vanilla extract, room temperature butter, unsalted butter, and I have the zest of a lemon,
which is always
and
great,
also cornstarch.
and cornstarch. Perfect. So we're gonna end up most probably, as I see here, sifting all the dry ingredients.
That's right.
Because we want everything incorporated. We don't want any clumps. And then we're gonna go ahead and add the rest of our room temperature ingredients in, make that into a dough, roll it out, put it in the fridge, bring it back out, and shape them. All right, closer
There we
look
go.
coming up. Anything else that you wanna add?
No, that's about it.
Okay, cool.
Let's start rolling.
Let's start rolling. So you're aiming for what texture?
Like a little sandy, like texture, but when you squeeze it, it has to like firm up like a little bit before you add in your liquids.
So there you go, a very simple cookie to make. These are honestly an Italian shortbread cookie. As you saw my mom break one apart, they are very tender, a light crumble. They really break apart in your mouth. They're super, super delicious. And the trick that you saw that my mom do was rolling it out in between two parchment papers. You did it?
That's right.
And what does that do?
That just speeds up the process.
We end up putting it in the fridge once it's rolled out, so it chills faster, right?
That's right, just for about 10-15 minutes.
Yeah, and then it makes it more easier to go ahead with the cookie cutter. If you were to put the whole dough in a bigger shape or in a ball in the fridge. It'll take a good 30 minutes, maybe even 40, just to have that chill, setting up to then cookie cut.
And then it's much harder to roll out.
Exactly.
So like why go through all that, you know, like long process, you know. Once you have your dough, just spread it out right away and put it in the refrigerator to chill.
So she ends up rolling it out to the thickness that we wanted. So it's really like
it's
you're
about a
prepping
quarter
it.
inch.
Yeah, you prep it off, you send it off to the fridge. Go ahead.
We'll send it off to the fridge. All I know it's gonna walk.
You're gonna send it to the fridge, and then when it decides to come back, we'll just cookie cut it.
Okay, time to come out now.
Okay, but that's it. Then it's easy, and you cookie cut them, and then they bake fairly quickly in the oven.
Yes.
We let them cool as always, and then traditionally they're either plain or dusted with
powdered sugar.
Powdered sugar. You can't be more Italian than that. We hope you guys give this one a try. They're very delicious. The kids will love this for sure, and they'll even love the process of making them because this is really a quick.
Especially with a cookie cutter and making like these little like daisy
fun different
flower
shapes.
prints.
Yeah.
Really cute.
Thanks for watching. Tune in weekly for new content. Don't forget to check out our website for all these step-by-step visuals if you're looking for recipes to give you some inspiration at www.loveitoueat.net. Happy Sunday to all, and as always, continue to
love what you
eat. Bye for now.
Ciao, arrivederci, alla prossima.
We forgot to try one.
We're gonna try one now.
We forgot to try one. We're gonna try one now. It's so funny. All right, I'm gonna.
It's really good.
They're so good.
They're tender, but they don't crumble.
Mm-mm.
They're very neat to eat.
They are delicious.
Yeah.
Very good milk and cookie type of cookie. This is a good dunking cookie. Yeah. 1 second dunk. They're gonna
coffee or tea.
So
really
good. Bye.
Ciao.
Good, Mom.